5 minutes before recording. Nanonood sila ng Alvin Chipmunks. Ang kapa. Yung mo, focus na focus pa si Pong. Sumigay ko. Tingnan natin na ba natin. Penya, Penya. Smile. James, di ka bang BS? Hindi pa? Paano na ka mag-tech-tie? Video to behind the scenes.
Video to, video.
Yes, video to. Ha?
Ang gagano sa ngipin ko.
Wala.
Ang gagano sa ngipin ko.
Wala eh. Ano? Pag-post natin yan. Ito yung cameraman number 1 namin. Gulo-gulo pa buhok mo, boy. Si James. James, ano masasabi mo tungkol sa ating project?
Wala lang.
Ulit pa ulit nga. Oh, yun.
May video mo yung wala-ulang na ba ako? Ganda eh. Ang ganda talaga.
Ang ganda ni Cher pag nakahapo, pagdating sa baba. O, di ba? Naman si Josel, ang ganda niya pag naka-half. Tignan natin ang pants niya. Jogging pants po.
Ganyan lang din dapat ang gagawin.
Pati pa si Lim. Maganda hanggang baba, pero nasa paa.
Ganyan ka na lang.
Ulit na kapatid ni Josel. Nag-laptop sa computer ko. Ay, pag in-ex mo yung Microsoft Word, papatayin kita. Butter dried ko siya niya. Sakit mo. Ikaw, Tanya Babes, nakabase ka na ba?
Yeah.
Yan na sa'yo? Mukha ka na naka-ano pang gala, alam mo yun? See?
Hindi kasi ito, pag nilagyan ng formal.
Wow! Ganyan, ka na
Video ko yun?
Interview natin sa Charm. Kamusta ang pagiging host ng ating panel discussion?
Dapat that English to?
Sure, go. How does it feel to be the host of the panel discussion?
I prepared a lot for this, you know. My accent, I prepared a lot. My outfit, you look at it. Oh my god, so amazing.
Let's talk to his boyfriend. How does it feel to be the boyfriend of our host?
Sorry.
No comment.
No comment.
Ano ni Ikaw?
Oh, diba? Parang si Pisa.
Con, Sarah May Yamado. Here. Dito ka. Ay, o nga pala, ikaw mag-
I'm here. I'm here. Look at me. I'm here.
Maganda.
Si Tanya Lalu. Garcia!
Saan ba ako dito?
Ay, o nga pala, Garcia ka din. Dito ka. Hindi, sa kabila ka, ano?
Ay, paano?
Rafi, sa kabila ka.
Sorry, mali ko po pa yung mga yun.
Yes. Saan nyo doon? Dito ka. Mas ka dyan.
Di ba open
Tanya,
ako?
Garcia. Doon ka, sa tabi niya, no? Ay, doon ka sa isang upuan.
I'm so...
Yan, yan ka.
Tanya Garcia, yun yung pangalan ko.
Tanya Garcia, ako lang ang magagawa. Si
Ganda ko
Professor
naman.
Colin.
Wala akong video. Ay, video pa.
Video yan? Oh my god.
Ito ka sa tabi ni Tanya.
Ay, tanga.
Tapos si Lorraine Peña.
Boy, didirit yan.
Ay, tanga.
Tapos si Lorraine Peña.
Boy, didirit yan.
Sabi ka niya.
Hindi ko memorize yung line ko kayo pakita.
Yes,
Oh my
yes.
god.
So, wala, by line ng ano natin.
Adi, aircon
Saan ako
to.
dito?
Diyan ka, diyan ka.
Diyan ka.
Tapos,
Tagad.
si Bendita. Doon ka sa tabi ni Lim.
Oh, my accent. I didn't prepare for this.
Si Dr. Yap.
Dr. Yap.
Dr. Yap.
Please, Yap.
Cameraman niya. Cameraman. Ako yung YouTube. Diyan ka pala, diyan ka pala. Tapos noon si ano. Sila mo?
So they can teach me how to do it. Put it to MTV so they can teach me how to do it. Put it to MTV so they can
natural environment to provide healthy water. Open generous. Environmental engineering is the application of science and engineering principles to improve air and land for human habitation. Well, Mr. Generous, I studied environmental engineering to specialize in that specific field. As Mr. Hayden has said, civil engineering is the Well, Mr. Generous, I studied
They gon' be on you when they see you hit that Dougie ride. Ain't nobody getting with my brother on the side. You go by Bubba, and he hit that death like Thugger. Okay, I ain't
So,
function and all the ladies just do you, and I'ma do you. Dudes love to hate, so they try to screw me. Females be stuck to me, I think they try to glue me. I make the party shine bright when it's started. So I had to choose. Everybody love me, everybody love me, everybody love me. You ain't messing with my Dougie.
The field of medicine to the field of engineering. Then being a doctor will be the same as being an engineer. Like medicine has different field like Dr. Yas, with all due respect, interpretation of what our science has been saying. We are all due respect, interpretation of what our
Unfortunately, Mr. General, no. Engineer Alexander Son is implying that just studying one branch of civil engineering is enough, therefore, it can be treated as another branch of civil.
our engineer, on the other hand, the Bentley